Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a easy but very effective modification or enhancement, and I'm going to do it on my Fender Stratocaster here. And what they are these roller string guides, and these little wheels, they roll. And what they are going to do is they're going to take the place of these traditional string guides, these are called lots of different things. Sometimes they're called trees. Sometimes they're called hook guides, all kinds of names for them. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to pull those off and put these in their place. What these will do is guide the strings just like these do, but since they have a roller, these actually roll, the string will roll nice and smooth in the roller versus scraping against this metal guide, and reduces any kind of wear on the string. So let's get right to it. Real simple. I've already loosened these strings, so they're very loose. Obviously, you need to either have them loose or not on the guitar at all. And I'm going to pull the two original guides off, and these are the original guides that came on the guitar when I first bought this guitar back in the early to mid 90s. And to put these guides on, just going to position it here and get a screw in the guide itself, and then we should be able to reuse the holes in the headstock. And one thing is to just make sure that the guide is perpendicular to the strings. They need to be perfectly perpendicular to the strings, and that's one. And get the other one on here. And I'm trying to be careful not to strip out the wood or strip out the head of the screw. There we go, just snug. They just need to be, firm to the headstock. Just guide those strings into the bottoms of those little wheels, and then start tuning it up. Okay, I have the tension back up on the strings. Not too tight. I haven't tuned it yet, but so far I can see that the guides are holding the strings a little bit wider than the nut does. I don't think that's going to be a problem, because the nut is always going to keep the spacing on the string over the fingerboard correct, as long as the spacing isn't too far off, which it doesn't appear to be. But that should be pretty good. Have to tune this up and see how it works. But other than that, these look like they're going to be a very nice upgrade to this guitar, and I've got more sets to do on other guitars as well. So, okay, thanks for watching this quick video, and if you liked it, please give me the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Always appreciate likes, and if you're not subscribed here, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.